So what I'm doing is this is a full trading system. I'm using all of these indicators. We just got another long on oil because it broke out of the top of this channel, and I took this as another long trade. The MNQ also did the same thing. It broke up, but we're on a red candle and we're below the trend band, so I did not take this. Oil is now locked out. Profit trailing is kicking in. Traders, I'm excited to announce the release of our newest $49 a year indicator called HolyGrail Algo Channel Breaks. If you want to catch some really nice breakout trades or inter-channel trades, this is the indicator. It's built exclusively for NinjaTrader. I'm going to show you how this looks in your chart, and I'm going to show you how I trade this.
Welcome to HolyGrail Algo, simplified trading. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. HolyGrail Algo is not liable for any loss or damages which may result directly or indirectly from such content.
Here I've got 4 charts up. Now I'm just trading micros. I got the MNQ, the MES, the MYM, the micro Dow, and the MCL, micro oil. Now I just got an alert on the micro Dow, the MYM, but if you notice there, it's below the trend band, so I did not take that trade, even though I did have a breakout call. Now, I'm using this as a full system. We've got the trend bands, we've got the long and short call indicator, we've got our cumulative delta. We're also using our Holygrail Dashboard profit trailing strategy, and I've got the new HolyGrail Algo channel breaks indicator. Now we got a print here, an alert on the micro oil. We got into this trade and we're using our strategy, and if you notice, the profit target is moving out of the way and the stop loss is trailing this. Now we just got another one on the micro Dow right after that to go short. Now I've got this sped up for time's sake. It would be pretty taxing to watch this. These are on 3-minute candles is how I'm doing this. And because we're below the trend band, we took this trade here. Now, if you notice, I just got a breakup on the MNQ, but because it was below the trend band, I didn't take it. Micro oil also just printed a long. Now, I got in this. This did pull back on me quite a bit here, but we're going to take this because we're above the trend band and we broke out of that channel, and we're going to take that. The micro Dow is doing what it always seems to do on me. That thing is pulling back. It seems like every time I get in a Dow trade, it wants to do that. As long as I've got my stop up there, the stop is well above the trend band, so I really like this. We're now in profit on oil, and it's really pushing. This is in pre-market too, by the way. Now it's decided it's going to pull back. Oil can really gap up and gap down pretty quick, but I still like trading that. There we go. We're locked out on oil. It's really pushing. The profit trailing is going up. We did get another short breakdown call on the Dow, which kind of confirms of the direction that I'm already in that trade. We just walked away with another nice win on oil. The Dow has now finally got me into profit a little bit here. We're locked out on it. Pushing down, the profit trailing is kicked in, and it's pushing this thing out of the way. So what I'm doing is this is a full trading system. I'm using all of these indicators. We just got another long on oil because it broke out of the top of this channel, and I took this as another long trade. The MNQ also did the same thing. It broke up, but we're on a red candle and we're below the trend band, so I did not take this. Oil is now locked out. Profit trailing is kicking in, and it's really got a nice trade out of that. We're done with oil now. We've got some really nice trades, all with micros. We just got another one on oil because it broke out of the top of this channel, but I did not take this trade. I'm gonna 3 in a row is pretty good for me. Now we've got a short right there. Now we're right there at the market open. The market is just about to open, so I'm not going to take any trades now until after it opens. We'll see if we get some prints out of here. You can see now the market's really pushing on the Dow and dropping on the MNQ. So we'll see what happens here. There, the MNQ is really starting to drop now. We got a short print right here, but what we're doing is we're looking at the cumulative delta here. It's going up over 3,000, 4,000, 5, and it's getting really interesting. There we go. We just got a short print. We're trailing this with our profit trailing. It got up over 6,000. Got a really beautiful trade out of that. The MES is about to fire, and there it goes. It also did the same thing. It broke out of the bottom of that channel. It printed, gave me an alert. I got in this trade. We're using our profit trailing. And there she goes. We didn't get a real big trade out of that, but we got it. Now, we did get a print on the MYM, but I was already in the MES, and sometimes it's kind of hard when everything's moving fast to take more than one trade at a time. Now, if you notice, the MES is now breaking down out of the bottom of this channel. Our cumulative delta looks really good. It's up over 8,000 here on the MES. There's our alert. We got in this trade. This is a little risky because you can see the tail at the bottom of that trigger candle is really tall. Sometimes I don't take those, but I did it on this one right here. But she is pulling back, so it's looking really good. Now we locked out. Profit trailing kicking in, and we got another nice little win out of that. So we're up $400 for the day. Now I'm trading this with 2 micro contracts on each one of these, and we're just barely into the market open here. We're not even 10 o'clock in the morning just yet. And we're taking almost every trade that the channel breaks is calling for, provided that all of the other indicators line up. In other words, I want to see, it's got to be on the right side of the trend band. It's got to be the right color of candle. I've got to have cumulative delta. So I'm taking this with all of these factors considered. All of these indicators are $49 a year. There we go. We got a nice MNQ and a nice MES as it broke out of the bottom of that channel. This here is February the 3rd, first thing in the morning. We're right here at pre-market. I didn't take that long earlier because the cumulative delta wasn't very high. It's still not very high. I didn't take it on that one there because it was below 1,000. But when we got this short print, now it got up almost 1,500, and I went ahead and took this short right here. We got a really nice trade out of that. Now we're using all of these indicators as a complete set. Now you can see it's dropping again. Look at our cumulative delta. It's getting up around 8,000 right there. We got a print or an alert on this, and we got in. The profit trailing kicked in, and we grabbed a really nice trade out of that. The entire system works really good together. Together, all of these tools form a very valuable trading system. And it's only $49 a year for these. It's incredible value. Here at HolyGrail Algo, we make the best trading tools at the most affordable price. You can also check out our Discord. I'll put the link to the Discord in the description of this video below. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Happy trading, and we'll catch you in the next video.